Weston Hospicecare was doing it. It was perfect. It was brilliant. My ears are still ringing. I think my cheeks are still numb. It was amazing. It's like the best roller coaster you can ever go on.
This has really given me the buzz now to do it again, because next time, because I've now got level 1, next time I can do level 2 and I can do loop the loop.
Oh my god, it was amazing. Yeah, that's the best, awesome. Best experience ever.
Absolutely fabulous.
Highly recommend it. Coming back to do loop the loop.
Yeah, we all come back.
All coming back.
I was so nervous beforehand and just didn't actually think I was going to enjoy it for the madness of doing it, but it was the most amazing experience I've ever had. Just free and relaxing, and yeah, just I couldn't recommend it more highly if somebody has the opportunity to do it and to raise money for a fantastic cause as well. It's a 1 in a million opportunity.